Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ike TV, Sir Ike TV. Okay, bali itong isi-share ko sa inyo ay noong nangyayari ito noong August 31, yung pagbangga ng yung binangga ng Chinese Coast Guard, yung BRP Teresa Magbanwa, yung Coast Guard ship natin na nagbantay doon sa Escuda Shoal or tinatawag din ng Sabina Shoal, no. So kaya ko lang naisip i-share ngayon kasi viral kasi ito ngayong last Friday, no, yung umuwi sa port ng Palawan ang pagbabantay. So instead na nagbabantay itong Teresa Magbanwa sa Escuda Shoal kasi yun nga, may nakita tayo nakita na Philippine government na umpisa na naman silang mag-reclamation area, no. So ito palang Escuda Shoal, ang malaki pala yan, napakalaking area yan na sabi is 137 square kilometer. So isang kilometro, kung makita mo kung ang kilometro is 1,000 meter. So pag square, 1,000 square meter, isang square kilometer. So para magkaroon tayo ng idea kung gaano ba kalaki yan, familiar tayo sa hektarya, no? So ang isang hektarya ay 10,000 square meter. So isipin mo na lang kung 137 square kilometer. So malaking area yan, ano? So yun ang shoal na binabantayan ng pinapatrolan ng BRP Teresa Magbanwa. 97 meters ang haba nitong barkong to. So isa yan sa pinaka malaking Coast Guard vessel natin. Okay. So binangga ito. So ni-research ko itong press conference na ginagawa ng Philippine Coast Guard na pinaliwanag ni Commodore Tarila, so spokesperson ng Philippine Coast Guard. So yun, ano, no. So meron ding, pagkatapos kong i-upload ito, meron din itong yung press briefing naman ni Commodore Tarila naman tungkol doon sa yun ngang umuwi bali itong Teresa Magbanwa nung Friday. Anong pizza ba yung Friday? September 13, no? September 13 umuwi o naglayag pa uwi sa port ng Palawan. Okay? So, ang sabi kaya umuwi itong mamaya ko na i-discuss tungkol dito. So, ito lang muna kung paano binangga ng Chinese Coast Guard ang Coast Guard ship natin ng Pilipinas na BRP Teresa Magbanwa. Okay? Pakinggan natin. Maiksi lang itong paliwanag or papakita paano binangga. 3 beses binangga ng Chinese Coast Guard ang BRP Teresa Magbanwa. Kung gaano ka sutil, kung gaano ka bully itong Chinese o yung China. Okay, hindi yung Chinese people, pero ito yung Chinese military nila. So actually, pag sinasabi, meron 'di ba dati nagdebate na ang Philippine Coast Guard o karamihan sa Coast Guard ng buong mundo ay civilian in nature. Pero ang China, yun ang sinasabi na ang Chinese Coast Guard ay military in nature pagdating sa China. So military sila, hindi sila civilian in nature. Okay? Example, tulad paano bang pagkaka-example? Yung police sa Pilipinas, civilian in nature 'yan. Okay? Hindi sila kasama sa military. Ang military natin yung armed force, yung sakop sa armed forces, na ito yung Philippine Navy, Philippine Army and Air Force. Yan yung military constituents ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Pero ang police, civilian in nature, ay yung mga police, PNP. Philippine National Police. So parang ganun na rin yung pagdating sa uh, categorization ng terms ng international, no. So internationally, ang kadalasan, ang karamihan sa tinatawag nating Coast Guard sa mundo ay they are civilian in nature, they are not connected sa military. Pero ang China, ang ipinaliwanag ng mga experts na when you say Coast Guard in China, sila ay kasali sa military ng China. Okay, so balik tayo doon sa paliwanag kung paano binangga ang ating Philippine Coast Guard ship na ang BRP Teresa Magbanwa. Pakinggan natin, panoorin natin yung paliwanag ni Commodore Tariela.
Because around 12:07, when the Philippine Coast Guard vessel is already on the move, click mo atong video. Play mo. China Coast Guard vessel 5205 carried out a dangerous maneuver resulting to its direct ramming on the port bow of MRRB 9701. Obviously, the Chinese Coast Guard vessel 5202 has ignored collision regulation because of such action. And then what happened next after this in 1207 is that it would turn around, next slide, and then it will reach the starboard quarter of the vessel. Click the video. It will also directly and intentionally ram MRB 9701 on our starboard quarter. A few minutes after it carried out a dangerous maneuver and rammed the port bow of Teresa Magbanwa. After this, it went around and then did another ramming to Philippine Coast Guard vessel. Next slide. On the port beam of MRB 9701, China Coast Guard 5202 has once again directly and intentionally rammed the Philippine Coast Guard vessel. It is important for us to take note that this ramming happened despite of our unprovoked action and presence in Escoda Shoal. The Philippine Coast Guard vessel did not provoke or did not do anything while we are loitering around Escoda Shoal, but the Chinese Coast Guard carried out dangerous maneuvers despite of being unprovoked. Next slide. These are the damages that the BRP Teresa Magbanwa has incurred as a result of the direct ramming and intentional collision carried out by China Coast Guard 5202. There is a damage on the bridge wing and also on the freeboard of the 9707. 9701. Next. There is this hole that also was a result of a direct ramming conducted by the China Coast Guard and also on this part. Next slide. As we are conducting this press conference now, I would like to report also to everyone that the Philippine Coast Guard vessel MRV 9701 as of 14:59 or 2:59 p.m. this afternoon, has already dropped its anchor, located also inside Escoda Shoal. Next slide. So that ends my operational details.